Hey everybody, back again. I wanted to show y'all the travel journals that I have on my Etsy store. Okay, there's 5 of them on there right now, and I'll start with this one. It has an elastic closure, little charm hanging, and this is standard 8.5 by 5, 4 3/4. All right, and this is the cover. There's the front, side, little charm hanging, and the back. And then you just open it up like this. And then here's the insert. And the insert is, can come out. It's on elastic, and there's enough to hold another one. And then I put a envelope filled with, and this is a vellum envelope, filled with ephemera to decorate it with. Bunch in there. You can see all that. Put that in there. And I'll flip you through. Well, here's the back of the cover, and then a pen holder, elastic pen holder, pocket, and here's the insert, pocket here, journaling card, some watercolor paper, regular paper, graph paper, piece of old book page, a journaling card, and these journaling cards are on my Etsy store as a download, digital. And then you got the paper clips, notebook, and then a envelope, another journaling card, piece of tracing paper, journaling card that got bent, fix that. And back to the beginning, and there's a pocket here, and that's the insert, and that is this one. Okay, next, I love this image. So cute. There's a little heart charm, and then this little charm. These garment pins are flying all over the place. There we go. And then there's the back. And it's covered with an old sealed dictionary page. And here's the inside cover of this one. More ephemera. The insert. And there's the back of that one. And flip you through the insert. They're mostly all the same, just with different journaling cards, watercolor paper, tracing papers, book page, notebook, journaling card. Here's a pocket, envelope, pocket. And I haven't distressed, leaving that for you to do. Drawing paper, there's a pocket, tracing paper, another journaling card that keeps getting bent. This might be too big. Let me slide it over. And back pocket. And that is that one. There we go. Okay, and you got this one with this little pretty charm on the front. And another little pretty charm right here that is rolled around again. There we go. And the back. The inside, another little filled with ephemera that I cut out and inked for you. And there's the back page of that one. And we will thumb through the insert. Pockets. And the same number of pages, and I think I paper clip 15 together. Let's fix that. Okay. Pocket, tracing paper, old book page, journaling cards, watercolor paper, regular paper, pocket, envelope, pocket, tea stain notebook paper, tea stain graph, and these have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pages, front and back, so 30, I guess. Pocket, back of the insert. And there is that one. Beautiful. All right, then we got this one, and it is wrapped with like a burlap. And you have that charm. And a little silver ball. And there's the back. And they're all very similar, but a little different. Another ephemera pack. And there's the back of this one. And the front. And this insert. And these are all little glued on postcards. Pocket. And another 15 pages, I'm assuming. Journaling cards, watercolor paper, tracing. Just gotta go fast. Pocket. All right. Trying to get through 5 travel notebooks at once. And there is that one. All right, last one. Leaf charm. And this charm in the back. Front, back, ephemera pack, and the insert. And I'll thumb through this one pretty quickly. Same for you to do your thing. Because that's my favorite part. Is junking it up. Ooh, a tracing paper pocket. I don't remember doing that. All right. And all of them have the pen holders. And these are on the Etsy store, which I will link below. There we go. Thanks for watching.